it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. I shared this sparkly necklace DIY perfect for belly dancers and ballroom dancers with you last month, and so many of you came to my site and downloaded the free pattern. And some of you requested a bracelet to go with it, which is an awesome idea. So in this tutorial, let me show you how I made this beautiful matching bracelet. Let's get started. To make this sparkly bracelet, you need paper, a piece of paper to make a pattern with. You can use any paper, or you can download my pattern from my blog for free at sparklybelly.com/bracelet. Felt. 1 to 2 millimeter thick felt in the size of the pattern. Just like the necklace, a stiffer type of felt that has some body to it is easier to use for this project. Snap button. If you use my pattern, make sure the size of the snap button is smaller than 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Matching color elastic, you only need 10 centimeters or 4 inches or so. It's nice to match the color to the color of the felt you're using. Matching color thread and decoration items. I used various sizes of rhinestones and rhinestone glue. You can find how many of each stone I used on my blog. First, let's make a pattern. Just like I did for the necklace, I made this generic pattern first according to my measurements. Then I traced it on a piece of paper and started drawing designs. You can get both the generic pattern and my bracelet pattern for free from my blog, so you can create your own designs or just use my design as it is. To make the design symmetrical, draw a center line and make one side of the design first. Then create your own design based on the sizes of the rhinestones you want to use. These 1 centimeter wide flaps will overlap when you wear the bracelet, so keep these areas, but you can freely design the rest. Cut out the design, fold it at the center line, and trace it onto the other side. Then cut out the rest. Try it around your wrist and see if it fits well. The top end should come close to the bottom of your middle finger, but not past it. If you use my pattern, my wrist is pretty small, so the flaps may not overlap on the back side. If so, add length to the ends of the flaps, making sure they overlap by 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Now take your felt and place the pattern on the wrong side and trace the pattern. And cut out the shape carefully. Use a sharp pair of scissors so you can cut out the small details neatly. At the ends of the flaps, sew on the snap button. The socket side goes on to the right side, and the stud side goes on the wrong side. Put it on your wrist and see how much elastic you need for the top end of the bracelet. The elastic should go from the top, around your middle finger, then back to the top. Add a 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance at the ends of the elastic and trim it. Sew the ends of the elastic on the wrong side of the felt and make sure to sew through the elastic to secure it firmly. And decorate as you like. As usual, I recommend you start with large pieces first so you can see how to fill the rest of the areas with small rhinestones. Apply stones all the way to the ends, and once you're finished, leave it overnight for the glue to dry. And your sparkly bracelet is complete! It's a one afternoon project that's simple and straightforward, but you'll be able to wear this bracelet with any costume or when you feel like dressing up. I can't wait for you to make your version. It's a great accessory that will highlight your beautiful hand movements. Again, you can download the pattern from sparklybelly.com/bracelet. You can also find the link to the matching necklace tutorial in the description below. And in my next video, I'll show you how to make this cute ruched hip scarf you can wear over leggings or pants in your lessons. I'm really excited about this one, and if you're curious, make sure to subscribe to my channel and sign up for my newsletter at sparklybelly.com so you won't miss it. I hope you enjoyed this Bellydance/ballroom bracelet tutorial, and if you did, please share this tutorial with your dancer friends. And if you want to try making more belly dance costuming bits, check out my free email course, Bellydance Costume Making 101 at sparklybelly.com/free course. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling.